Using the multiplicative inverse to solve equations, I want to get rid of the 3/4 so x is alone. The inverse of 3/4 is 4/3. I apply a 4/3 times a 3/4 to the left, so I must put a 4/3 on the right. Remember, there's a 2 is over 1. When I cancel, because 4 divided by 4 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, I'm remaining with x on the left and multiplying straight across 8/3. The second problem, to get rid of 4 in the denominator, is put the 4 in the numerator, multiplying each side across the equal sign left and right. The 4 is reduced because 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1x remains. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times x, opposite of 4 times x is division. I divide each side by 4. X is 3. Checking my answer, 4 times 3 is 12. Checking my answer to the second problem that we did, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And for the first problem, 3 times 8/3 divided by 4 should be equal to 2. The 3 divided by 3 is a 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 5 times x equals 20. To eliminate 5 times, I divide by 5 both sides. X is equal to 4. 5 times 4 is 20. To eliminate the 2/3, I use the inverse property, which is 3/2. I apply it to the left and to the right. Notice I put a 1 underneath the 2, so that when I multiply fractions going straight across, I get 6 divided by 2. On the left-hand side, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1. X is equal to 6/2, which simplifies to 3. And in the last problem, to get rid of the 4/5, the inverse is 5/4. Apply it to both sides of the equal sign. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1x remains. 4 times 5 is 20 over 4, which is 5. If I was to take 4/5, multiply it by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 4 is equal to 4.